Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video combines two things that I really love, Dollar Tree and Disney. I'm doing a haul of sorts. This is a video about things you might pick up at the Dollar Tree if you were planning a trip to Disney World or Disneyland. I did a video similar to this a few months ago and you guys really liked it. I'll link it below. I'm not going to cover the same stuff. So today's haul list of items, I tried to get brand new stuff that I didn't pick up for that last video, but if you're kind of interested in this topic, I think you'll like that previous video. There's a little bit of overlap because Dollar Tree is always coming out with like different designs and patterns, but I did want to keep it fresh. I go to Disney World a lot with my family. We're annual pass holders, and these are items that I pick up time after time when I go on these trips. So it's not a one-off. I'm not just showing you, oh look, I found this. I'm showing you the things that I really make a list, go and seek out at the Dollar Tree because they're so inexpensive to get there. I'm gonna dive right in. I've got a wide variety of stuff. I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. This is one of my favorite Dollar Tree Disney World items, little glow sticks. If you are not picking up glow sticks and you have kids and you're going to Dollar Tree, I mean, definitely look for these. You get so many for $1. This is a pack of 8, and I love this because of the nighttime shows. They bring out all these glow-in-the-dark toys, and the kids love them, but they're so expensive at Disney World. You spend $1 and you get so many different glow toys, and they've got a variety of designs at the Dollar Tree. This is just, I think, bracelets. Yeah, I picked these up for myself to wear, but you can get necklaces. They've got glow-in-the-dark tiaras. They've even got Disney glow-in-the-dark items, so definitely check out that glow aisle. It's also nice to bring a few packs of these, and then you can hand them out to other kids, make friends. They've got so many different designs. I also always talk, oh look, I've got another pack here. Apparently I got 2 packs of glow items. Well, this is 20 bracelets. Okay, so guys, totally look those up. I'm always talking about like toiletry items, picking them up at the Dollar Tree. And I found a great one for Disney trips. These are actually Disney character toothbrushes. The light is giving a little bit of a glare. So it's like Disney Tsum Tsum. You get 3 for $1, a great price. And these have like Alice and Timon and Pumbaa. I've got the Cheshire Cat, Dumbo. Super, super cute. I love that they're like different colors. This would be perfect for boys or girls. And then to go with that, I picked up some toothpastes that are appropriate for Disney. I got this little Star Wars. I was so excited to find this. It's Crest brand. It's got BB-8. Star Wars is a property of Disney now, and they're opening the Star Wars land in the fall. So this is perfect if you've got a Star Wars lover in your family. So cute for the toiletry bag. I mean, you have to bring toothpaste and toothbrushes anyway, so why not bring Disney brand one? I always pick up a pack of these little travel wipes at the Dollar Tree. They've got Mickey on them, and I think these are great even if you don't have a baby who's in diapers. These are great for like wiping down the tables at quick service restaurants, giving your hands a wipe after you get off of a ride. Really versatile, and I like that. I know that Dollar Tree has these things. I know that I can go in and they're always going to be there. I got a few tote bags. I talk about these totes all the time, and I actually shared this one in a haul a few weeks ago, and you guys loved this one. So I wanted to show it again in case you are planning a trip to Disney. I love this Aladdin design, and I love bringing these because they're great for travel to Disney. You can use them as pool bags at the hotel. You can use them. You can put souvenirs in the bag if you're going back home and you've run out of space in your suitcase. Use these as a little carry-on, and they fold flat. They take up no room. I've got Aladdin and Toy Story going on. Also great to like hold dirty laundry at the hotel. Kids love them. I picked up this pack of like swim diapers. I've never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. And Nemo, right? Perfect for a Disney trip. But these are great if you're going to the hotel pool, or maybe you're not sure if you will, but you still, if you go, you know you're going to need some swim diapers. I didn't want to buy a whole pack because I don't think my daughter will be swimming, but just in case, I've got a few for $1. You cannot beat it. This is something I definitely wanted to talk about. This is called, I think, a carabiner, maybe a carabiner. They're those big metal clip items. I'm going to open it up to kind of show you what they do. So these clips are really versatile, but I use them for a few different things on my Disney trips. Number one, if you're buying those like refillable resort mugs, they're plastic, and you buy it one time and then you keep filling it up with soda and your drink at your hotel. But like, let's say you fill it up with coffee in the morning, you go to a theme park, and now you've got to hold it all day. Well, these are great for hooking those mugs onto your backpack. So you put the handle right on here, and then you can hook this onto the strap of your backpack and you don't have to carry it all day long. I also love using this for mini ears. If you're wearing Minnie or Mickey ears and maybe it starts to hurt your head, you want to take it off, but maybe you don't want to throw it in your backpack and get it all squished, you can hook this right around the center part of the ears and then hook your ears onto your backpack. I love these for Disney World. They actually sell like mouse ear hooks on Etsy for a lot more money than this. I got 2 for $1. Definitely will be using those. I always get like activity things for my daughter at the Dollar Tree, and I've talked about that a ton before. Last week I did a video about like putting together a busy bag for travel for your toddlers. I'll link that below if you want to check it out. I included these things in that video, but I want to talk about them again for another reason. One, Dollar Tree is selling these magic ink books right now, and they retail for $5 typically at like Walmart or Target, and Dollar Tree doesn't usually have these. So definitely go and pick them up if you have a little one that you need to entertain. They're cars, so perfect for a Disney trip. And the great thing about these is you get this marker and then they color the pages, and it only colors the pages. It's not going to color anything else. It's magic ink. These are super, super good for travel. I picked up a stack of those, and I talked in that same video about these. I want to talk about them again. They're sticker mosaic books. In the video last week, I told you guys that I got these at a dollar store called the Dollar Zone, and I was so happy to find them because on the back it even tells you the price is $7.99. Well, I found them at the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to bring it up in case you guys don't have a Dollar Zone near you. Dollar Tree is selling these. The concept is it's kind of like paint by number. They've got these pictures in the back, and it tells you a number with a corresponding sticker in the front. You put the stickers in the spots and it makes a picture. Again, a $7.99 activity book, $1. So Dollar Tree is selling these Coco designs. I picked up at Dollar Zone. They had a bunch of Disney Princess ones, a really great value for $1. I was really happy because Dollar Tree has recently brought out their little travel fans. I like to get these when I go to Disney World. I got this little one. I've never seen this design before, but I love that it's this compact little size. For $1, you can't beat it, and it comes with a string in case you want to hang it around your neck. The Florida heat is brutal, and I just love having stuff like this. I also picked this up at that Dollar Zone. I want to show you. It's not a battery. It's like a manual fan. But things like this are just great to be on the lookout for at dollar stores in general. If you buy some of the heavy duty fans on Amazon, it can be $10, $20. So I like having these. If they break, you're not going to be too upset. This is a necessity. I picked up a couple ponchos. It rains a lot in Florida, particularly in the warmer months, which we are in now. I really like getting these at the Dollar Tree because when you buy them, they're so compact. You can find inexpensive ponchos other places as well, but they're usually sold in bigger packaging. They're not folded down as small, but I like how small and portable these are. I can throw these in a crossbody purse and they're not going to take up too much room. And again, $1. If it gets a rip or a tear, I'm not going to be too upset, but always, always have these on hand. Florida rain is a killer. Speaking about Florida weather, I got a little travel sunscreen. I'm always covering myself up with sunscreen when I am at Disney World, Florida, just in general. I'm fair, so I always make sure I am covered. Because I am fair and I burn so easily, I really always try to buy sunscreen that is name brand. And the sunscreen at the Dollar Tree in the bigger bottles are typically not name brand. But this is Banana Boat. In the travel size. I love the travel size for $1 because again, I can put this in my purse for the day when I go to the parks. If I need to reapply, I don't need to bring the big bottle. For $1, you can't beat it. If you're in the travel section at like Target, this is going to be more than $1. I also got a little travel hand sanitizer. Dollar Tree has these out right now where they're like different candies. This is a Junior Mints one. These are really super cute. I get all sorts of hand sanitizer stuff at the Dollar Tree hand sanitizing wipes. I picked up a new pen for autographs. I'm bringing an autograph book, and this is a Disney Princess one. You get a bunch of colors. I like that kind of option because then when they're signing the pages, you can give each character like a different color. It's very fun. And it's a nice big pen. The characters need a big fat pen when they're signing. At the Dollar Zone, I picked up this little bag. I talk about buying little cosmetic bags at the Dollar Tree for travel, I love having a lot of different size bags to organize stuff. I find it easier to keep things all sorted, and this is a perfect size for my camera. I'm going to be vlogging this trip. I've never vlogged a trip to Disney World before, so I'm really trying to stay organized, and this is perfect for my camera, and I can keep spare batteries and spare memory cards in here. And I picked it up and I'm telling you about it because it looks like the Epcot ball, which I found too charming. Yeah, I just love anything that kind of has like a Disney angle to it. And then also at the Dollar Zone, I picked up these sunglasses, and I wanted to tell you about that because I just wanted to remind you that dollar stores are a great place to get $1 sunglasses. I'm gonna bring my nicer sunglasses as well, but I think it's just great to have backup. I have light colored eyes, so are you getting a glare from my ring light? Yes, you are. I have light colored eyes, so if I'm not wearing sunglasses, my eyes are really going to get irritated. So if I bring just one pair and something happens to them, I'm going to be in trouble. So I always bring backups. $1 sunglasses, cannot beat it. I think that's all. Yep, I think that's all my items. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to put a link below to the previous Dollar Tree Disney video I did. It had even more stuff, so if you're planning a trip to Disney, you want to check it out, get some ideas. Like I said, I'm going to be vlogging this trip. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I'm doing while I'm there. I'm going with my sister, just the two of us, and we both love Disney, so we're both super excited. Hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on those vlogs, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll put a link below to that as well. I'm going to be Instagramming our trip, a lot of stuff about what we're doing. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments what your favorite item was from this haul. Are you Dollar Tree obsessed for travel as I am? Let me know. I will see you guys next time. I can't wait to bring you along. Bye.